Come and say hi. Can you step up, please?
Boom, boom.
Hi. You're a harness trained bubba now, aren't you?
Oh, good boy. No, you're laughing. Alright, Mr. Pabu.
Do you love me still? He was having too much fun inside too when I put him in his harness, so it's kind of sad. Whoa!
Princess!
Come on, Evils, out you come. Is your foot stuck in there? Come on, Bubba.
Hey, girl.
Oi. Come on, sweetheart. Look at her new tail feathers coming through. You can be on the ground. You don't need to be on me. There you go. Good boy. Go do your duck walk.
Boom, boom.
He might come to you. Or he might just you. Or he might fly at you.
What you doing?
Oh, crest up.
What you doing? Boom, boom.
There's a whole heap of young children coming in. You're so boring.
Oh.
Come on, step up, butter. Are you going to do anything today? You're not in the mood. You're not in the mood?
Wait, are they baby parrots?
No, these guys are little parrots, so they'll never get bigger than this. So they're green cheek conures.
What about that one?
She technically is still a baby.
Yeah, still a baby.
Oh! Oh, what was that?
And which one's that one?
Korra, the green-winged macaw.
I don't have any more. Oh no! Oh gosh! Oh, it's a tough life being a bird. Like, as far as conures go, they're because they don't live long. They mature. They hit maturity at 4 months, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like 5 months. Parrot. Oh, hi Cora.
What's he doing?
You said
Old.
Yumi.
No, his sound gets old.
Can you imagine?
Run away. No, that was
It's not pretty in the slightest.
Alright, girls, what do you say?
Thank you.
That's alright.
Thank you.
How about you go do some ground forage? Good boy. Yeah? What are you doing? You gonna fly? It's like, I'm gonna run to you, Mum. What are you, stupid? You don't fly. No, you can't eat that, you big loser.
Ooh.
She flies sideways.
Say hi to Bumi.
For some reason I thought Pabu was the same size as him.
No
Clearly
way.
not. Because everyone keeps telling me how don't try and climb up my leg. Oh. That was actually pretty graceful, Bumi. You want a cashew?
Wait, a princess!
So graceful.
Wow! Cacao!
3 times in the whole time I've had him. Each and every time I can tell you why it happened.
Yeah.
And it's not, it's a frightened thing. It's not a, oh my god, you're a loser.
You're like a dinosaur, Bin Bin.
Short. Wait for it. Meh.
Bim Bim!
Oh, Bim Bim! So, I'm not encouraging flight at the moment.
Oh,
Pabu would done.
yeah, they're chasing him. Run, Pabu!
Baba! Scary! Oh no, all the cockatoos!
Pabu, they just want to play. Let's go up and play. Oh, we're gonna play with the gorillas. Pabu, come here.